Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Lauren, and today I'm going to teach you how to make my 3 favorite smoothie recipes that I make every week for breakfast. So I like to make a smoothie as the first thing that I eat in the morning because it's just an easy way to make sure you're getting in some nutrients and greens. If you've been wanting to take that next step on your wellness journey, I personally think breakfast is a really simple place to start. I feel like we have a little bit more control over breakfast because the day can sometimes get off track depending on how work is or if you have kids, but breakfast is like, okay, I wake up in the morning, I'm gonna spend 5 minutes making myself a smoothie and dedicate that time to myself. For my smoothies, I like to do a 3-ingredient base to keep it really simple, so you'll notice all of my smoothies have that same base. And then from there, I like to customize the rest of the ingredients based on how I'm feeling that day or if I'm craving anything in particular. Just by adding in different fruits or ingredients, you can get different benefits. I've been making these for years and years, so on a day-to-day basis, I really like to eyeball the ingredients. I'm not measuring this all perfectly, but I'll give you some recommended measurements below. I make them for my husband and I, so it's for 2 servings, or you can just make a little bit less of each of the ingredients to make a smaller serving. Don't let the color of any of them deter you because they taste delicious. If you're someone that's really been struggling to get in more greens and nutrients, and maybe you don't like the taste of spinach or kale by itself, I love smoothies for you because you can easily add those in. And this doesn't taste like spinach. It tastes like mango and ginger, but it has so much good spinach in there and great nutrients. If you're worried about it, start slow. Start with a little bit of spinach and slowly build it up, but I promise you, it does not taste like you're eating a salad. Let's get started. I'm going to take you through the process of making all 3 smoothies. They are simple and quick. Let's start off with my amazing mango vanilla smoothie. It's so good. It has hints of vanilla and ginger, and it tastes so fresh and hydrating. Here are the ingredients we're going to be using, and I'll take you through each step. First, I'm adding coconut water because it's great for hydration. Make sure to look for one without added sugar. I like to add baby spinach to all of my smoothies, and then we're going to add fresh ginger because it's anti-inflammatory. Next is the frozen mango. It's high in vitamin C, which can help increase our skin's collagen. I love frozen bananas in smoothies. It helps give it a great consistency, and then I'm adding my favorite clean vanilla protein powder. Sometimes I also add a little marine collagen. All right, we're good on ingredients, so let's get this blended up. I like to blend it on high for about a minute and make sure that it looks really smooth. You can always add a little more liquid if your blender needs it. It kind of depends on the blender. And this is so thick and creamy. It tastes like it's from a smoothie shop. I love this smoothie on days where I want a lighter smoothie with extra hydration. It's perfect for like a hot summer day, and then I love garnishing it with some fresh mint from the garden. Let's move on to the next one, which might be my current favorite, my chocolate cherry smoothie. This is the combo that you didn't know you needed in your life, but it's so good. I like to keep core ingredients simple, so we're adding coconut water again for that hydration. You could also use water or plant-based milk. Next, we are adding spinach. Thanks, Jimmy. Now we're adding a frozen banana. I like to cut them up so they blend more easily. It's time for the beautiful frozen cherries. These are rich in antioxidants and can help with inflammation. Now we're adding chocolate protein powder. I'll link it down below, and you can also swap that out for cacao powder. We need a huge scoop of a nut or seed butter. I'm using sunflower seed butter. Almond butter is also delicious. I want that healthy fat and protein to make the smoothie balanced and prevent a big blood sugar spike. Those are all the ingredients, and then we're blending it up. We want to blend it on high for about a minute, and if your blender is struggling, you can use a tamper or add a little bit more liquid. Once it looks fully blended, we could take it out to serve. This smoothie is so filling and delicious, and it's full of great nutrients. It's great if you're trying to add more greens because you can't taste the spinach, and that chocolate cherry combo is amazing. I drink this smoothie several times a week, and sometimes I like to add some cacao nibs for a little extra crunch. Now we're going to make my OG smoothie that I have been making and refining for 10 years. This is my blueberry vanilla smoothie. First, we're adding coconut water, or sometimes I use almond milk, and next we're adding spinach to really get those nutrients in, like vitamin K. You know the drill by now. We need a frozen banana for that creamy texture. Now we're adding frozen wild blueberries. They smell so nice, and they have 2 times the antioxidants of normal blueberries. Let's add some chia seeds for fiber and protein. I'm adding that optional marine collagen. I like it because it supports my hair, skin, and joints. And then we're adding vanilla protein powder. The vanilla pairs really well with the blueberry. I love this combination. That's all we need for ingredients. Let's get it blended up on high. Check out that color. I mean, it is so beautiful and delicious. And when it's smooth, we can take it off to serve. I have to warn you, once you have wild blueberries, you will never go back to normal blueberries. I really look forward to the smell and the taste of this one. Like, you can just see that color is amazing. All of these nutrients are exceptional for your skin. I like to have this one, especially if my skin is breaking out or if I'm just feeling in need of a reset. This is such a great starter smoothie if you're taking that first step on your wellness journey. Those are my current 3 favorite healthy smoothie recipes. As you can see, if you keep coconut water, frozen bananas, and spinach on hand, that's really the foundation for an easy, delicious, healthy smoothie. It might sound silly, but I honestly think that spending 5 minutes on yourself in the morning to make yourself a smoothie is a beautiful way to have a moment of self-care and just remind yourself that you are important. That's my little message to you. My little reminder is you deserve to spend 5 minutes on yourself every day. You deserve more than that, but you deserve at least 5 minutes. Whether you want to make a smoothie, whether you want to do something else, self-care, whatever it may be, you deserve that. And I hope that you claim that time for yourself. I love to do it in the morning. Whatever works for you, just claim that moment for yourself. Comment down below and let me know which smoothie recipe is your favorite. Honestly, it's really hard for me to choose. I love all 3 of them and I make them every week, so I'd love to know what your favorite is. If this video was helpful for you, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having an amazing day. If your day is just getting started, make it a great one, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye guys!